Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the province of Limburg. This is the way us Dutchies say Limburg. Limburg. There is a very slight emphasis on the first syllable, Limburg. Lim-burg. All the letters will be pronounced, and yes, there is that harsh Dutch ch. Just keep trying that hard ch. It will make it sound so much more authentic. Limburg. I live in the province of Limburg. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!